Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn the easiest way to create a big head effect in Canva, easy Canva tutorial. And for us to be able to get started, let's go ahead and head onto canva.com, choosing a template, and right after you have already chosen a template, you'll get redirected here onto the editing page. Now, here onto the editing page, the first thing that you could do is to upload the photo that you want to use. Simply click onto upload in here and you should be able to upload the file that you want to use to create a big head effect. So if you have your own photo, you could do that. But since I don't have one onto my end, let's use the stock photos that are available here onto Elements. So as you can see, I've typed in boy in here and under photos, I have seen a lot of search. So let's try to use this one, this specific boy. So the first thing that we could do is try to fit this one to the screen, just like that. And then right after, let's try to go ahead and duplicate the page. Simply click onto this one here, onto the upper part. And right after you duplicate onto that, just click onto the photo again, click onto edit image. And then right after, you should be able to see background remover under Magic Studio. So let's simply click onto that. And then right after, once you have successfully did that, you could use the magic eraser for this. So let's try to remove the shirt in here to just leave the head. So you could also adjust the brush size for that. And let's make this bigger to make this more seamless. So let's lessen the brush size. And once you're already satisfied, just click onto erase. So it will go ahead and clean for you. Let's just wait for this one. And then once it is already removed, just head back. And since we have the face already in here, let's make this one smaller. Copy this one out, and then we'll paste it in here, and then we'll make this bigger. So you can see, we could do that one just like that. Remove also the background onto the other photo, edit the image, click onto background remover, and it should look something like this. And then right after, we could also add in an outline for both of this. So we'll try to save this one first, add in transparent background, and let's try to remove this right after that one is downloaded. So let's add the original photo back again. And let's try to paste in the recently downloaded photo. So just simply drag and drop it here. And once you have successfully added that, just go ahead and click onto the photo to add this onto your design. Then resize this to fit the screen. And right after, lastly, just edit the image again. Head here onto effects, click onto shadows, then add in an outline for that. So let's change the outline to white. And you could also adjust the size for that one. And that is just basically it. How you create a big head effect in Canva. If you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.